Hi, and welcome back to my series on archetypes. Today, we're going to talk about the creator archetype and how luxury brands and celebrities use it to build their image and connect with their audience. I have created an assessment that provides my clients with a full report on how to leverage their dominant archetypes to create more distinct, authentic, and profitable brands. One of my creator archetype clients is an actress in LA who was struggling to get an agent, roles, or even an audition in Hollywood. After receiving her brand archetype report, we transformed her image, her messaging, and query letters and defined exactly what her unique acting type is. She landed a top Hollywood agent, a national commercial deal with Hyundai, and roles in TV shows. In my last video on the innocent archetype, I covered exactly what an archetype is, so you can watch it if you missed it. So what is the creator archetype? Well, this archetype is all about innovation, imagination, and originality. Creators are often seen as visionary people who are able to bring something new and exciting into the world. They are often admired for their ability to take risks and be unconventional and innovative. In the world of luxury brands, the creator archetype is often used to express the brand's sense of exclusivity and high-end craftsmanship. One of my favorite brands and fashion visionaries is Gabrielle Coco Chanel. Chanel has a long history of being associated with creativity and innovation. She was a disruptor from the start, defying the status quo by using men's jersey fabric to make loose-fitting women's dresses in the age of corsets. Chanel was the first luxury maison to launch a signature perfume, the timeless Chanel No. 5. Today, perfumes are a key part of every luxury maison's business model. By tapping into the creator archetype, Chanel is able to position itself as a brand that values craftsmanship and distinctiveness, always pushing the boundaries to redefine fashion. Apple is the luxury tech brand known for its minimalist design aesthetic, innovation, and intuitive designs. In fact, to solidify its place as a creative fashion tech brand, in 2013, Apple hired Burberry's CEO to lead its retail operations and has collaborated with luxury fashion brands like Hermes to push the boundaries of innovation and style. Prince embodied the creator archetype. His music, stage persona, and costumes were the embodiment of the creator. In fact, he once changed his stage name to The Artist, formerly known as Prince, and then simply to a symbol. These are all expressions of the creator archetype. In Greek mythology, although the goddess Athena is primarily associated with the sage archetype, she also had the gift of the creator. She was often depicted as the patron of skilled artisans, including sculptors, weavers, and porters, and was believed to be the inspiration behind many of the works of art and architecture. Whether it's through innovation and exclusivity or through individuality and artistic expression, the creator archetype has a passion for self-expression, an active imagination, and is a visionary.